The soldiers now push.
Thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyiriria andu ethĩ kuhimbiria mawira ma nenda-ini na riu andu aria moete mweke ucio nao ni mathomithitio uria mangiteithĩrĩria aruna ao kwĩingĩria mawira-ini maya. Billy Gitau uria ni murugamiri wa ceceni ya Njira mwena wa Olkarau mari na abitha wa ukinyaniria tabarĩra-ini iyo Evelyn Kanyua maugite kuri na andu aingi makoretwo magiteithika na mieke iria ikoretwo ikiyumiria nenda-ini.
Koretwo na mubango tureta bootcamp kana business processing outsourcing uria turakorwo tukigeria guthomithia ayuthi aria tukoretwo tugithomithia uria mangihota kwenderea kuma gukorwo mari online workers na kwambiriria biashara ciao nyene mari o ene. Githomo giki turatabania thiku ici igiri tugucoka tumahe mentorship ya mieri 3 haria marikoragwo na andu mekumatongoria na mekumaguide kuhota kurani biashara ciao.
These young people have moved from just being sourcing for their own gigs to being super agents, people that can source for bulk jobs and then outsource this to the other young people. And what we are doing as part of accelerating the digital economy ecosystem is to handhold these young people, put them into an accelerator program where they are able to establish these businesses, scale them and even sustain them in the long run.
Maritie marikeheri-ini ka mathomo ma gikundi kia onjoria a nenda-ini aria maranorwo uria mangiteithĩrĩria andu ethĩ na onjoria angi uria mangigunika na thuguri cia nenda-ini. No ona gukiri o uguo kuri ona moritu makoretwo makigumira andu aingi ona gutuika uyu ti undu uramahinga gwetha wagiriru na njira cia nenda aria magunikite makiuga matiri na gitumi gia kwirira.
Mekuhota kurugamia biashara ciao undu marihota kwiyandika wene na mahote guthondekera ayuthi angĩ mawira oho nigetha tuhote gukinyaniria kiroto kia mubango uyu.
For the online workers, at the moment they do not even have that element of organizing themselves, getting a collective bargain, lobbying for their rights, being able to access a proper working conditions. For example, remember most of these jobs they are getting them from overseas.
Andu anini ni marayukia mawira maya na ino ni njira imwe ya kugeria kunina uhoro wa wagi wa mawira, especially gatagati-ini kari andu anini.
There is a lot of knowledge out there na unaweza earn from it a living, a decent living and sustain yourself.
Ngiriboti Inooro TV kuma Olkarau guku ni kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua njitagwo Peter Mwangi.